Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W126 channel. On today's video I will show you how we're gonna glue an emblem back on the boot. It is possible that your car doesn't have an emblem like this one, or it's possible that yours has been lost. Okay, so we're gonna glue it. It's gonna be more or less here. Okay, I will give you the measurements anyway, so like that it's glued properly at its right position. But before we glue it, first thing we're gonna clean it nicely and we're gonna degrease the badge as well. For this job we will need the emblem. We will need as well something to measure to place it properly on the boot. Something to hold it, whatever tape you have, something to cut the tape, a pencil, so I will mark on the boot where it should go, and obviously some glue, some kind of glue. If you've got that type of glue that especially for emblem, better, but if not, usually whatever glue should work. So let's start. Now that it's clean, we're gonna position the emblem. So from the edge inside it's 25 millimeters, from the bottom to the top it's 21 millimeters. Okay, so it will go here. Okay, like so. The good thing using this is that we can wipe it after. And from the bottom here it's 21. That's it. Here you can place another one here if you want, like so. And once you've done your two, you can link it if you want and draw a line. That way when you'll fit it, it'll be perfectly horizontal. Now that I've placed the glue, I will prepare a few of those, okay? So like that when I will apply it, then I will be able to place this on top of it, so like that it will remain in place. Now that the emblem is fitted, we can see there's a bit of excess of glue. You can try to remove it the best you can, and later, anyway, when it's gonna be dry, it should come off quite easily. Okay, so don't worry too much if there's some excess. We are now the following day, so I've removed all this, I've cleaned it, and now that's it. It's fitted, it's perfect, okay? I hope that you have liked the video, I hope it's useful to you, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.